First entry. Today I walked the hill at dusk. The wind was warm and smelled like fennel and sun-baked grass. The shadows were long and golden on the trail. I felt for the first time in a while like I was part of the landscape, like my body wasn't separate from the world, but shaped by it, shaped with it. There was a moment when a crow flew low over my head, and I ducked instinctively, laughing. It felt good to laugh out loud like that, surprising and real. Next entry. I think I'm starting to feel myself again. Not all the way, but enough to notice. There are certain moments when I remember to look up. The sky always surprises me, like I've been underwater and suddenly breached the surface. How is it always so much, so wide, so full of light? Even the gray days have a kind of generosity I forget to expect. I want to live a life where I remember to look up. Next entry. Some days my mind feels like a locked room. Like the key has been buried under weeks of unopened mail and dirty laundry. I go outside to try and find it. Sometimes the air helps, or a tree, or the shape of a bird flying low. Sometimes I come back in empty-handed. But at least I went looking. Next entry. The world doesn't owe me beauty, and yet it gives it, constantly. A ray of sun on the wall, the sound of someone laughing just out of sight, the smell of something blooming I can't name. I want to learn how to notice without needing to own, to love without needing to hold, to witness and be moved.